Hi friends, today is 24th March 2022 and the time is 10 p.m. Today, Nifty took the exact support from 21st March low, and from there, it went up, but a lot of volatility. But still, we are able to catch the top as well as we are able to catch the bottom. But we are not able to exit at the top because I was expecting some more move on the upside. But exactly, it went and touched our number and then it turned ulta. Let's go to the chart and then we will discuss everything. First, we will go to the WhatsApp messages. Okay, so today's number is buy above 17115 and sell below 17082. This number is not touched today, but it gave an entry here 17175. But normally I give this at before 910. It's called 907 number. Okay, so that's why we went long. But the problem is we are not able to exit at the exact weekly number resistance of Nifty spot and the exact Nifty future number, which is our intraday number, which is 17,332. That was high today, and from there it fell back to our Excel sheet number, which is 17,194. It gave a buy entry again, and we are able to catch another two targets on the upside. And Bank Nifty was extremely weak because today's high is 35,937, which is our magical number, right? And yesterday, Z had a combination date, and today it is upper fees, but I didn't buy. I didn't expect this move also, but the combination date worked like magic. Okay. Today open is equal to low, so that's why we bought today. Nifty, and first 30 minutes low is not broken. So, it went up, but Bank Nifty was dilly-dally. It went up, but exactly went and touched our number 35,937, and it came down and closed below 35,574, which is very, very crucial number for Bank Nifty. But I will show you one thing. It is closed exactly at the pitchfork bottom. So now it has to turn from here. Otherwise, the pain will be much, much more for Bank Nifty. Okay. This is the number I said, 35,774. Okay. And Excel sheet, this is the number. It rocked actually. Okay. Now let's go to the PPT. Okay. Before going to PPT, kindly go and watch this video. This I made on 6th February. That will metal index deliver 2 digits return on or before June. This was the topic headline, and I made a video on 6th February. Kindly go and watch this video because today it achieved our third target and it is exactly closed at pitchfork top. Okay, let's see all that. Maybe I'll go to Nifty metals. From here, this was the day high. I clearly mentioned above 11th February. Above 11th February, it has to do 20% on the upside. That is our analysis. After 11th February, it came down badly, took the support at the pitchfork thing, and then now today it is at the pitchfork top and it closed above the pitchfork top. And our third target was above 6,077. The target is 6532. That was the third target. I will show you everything in the PPT. And today the high was 6536. So now, in case another targets, if I want to extend, if I extend these targets, let's see, from here now it has to go and touch this level, which is 200 points, roughly around 300 points from here. Let's see how it is going to do. And tomorrow, Hindalco and VEDL is having a trend change date, so watch it out. Okay, so this is Nifty metals, and coming to okay, so now this is our morning number, 907 number, 17,115, 17,082. And market opened here. It was a open is equal to high, low, and it has not touched our red color number. So there is no bearishness today. It went up exactly, went and touched our number, which is 17,287, which is our weekly bearish number. And you have the number with you, 17,287. But we are not able to exit here. We actually expecting for some more move, but market respected that number, very clear. And if you go to Nifty future also, this was the Nifty future. It gave a buy in the morning. This was the Excel sheet number 17,174, and the stop loss is 17,161. But morning it didn't give an entry because it was a first 15 minutes high. After that only I will give the number, but it didn't touch our number. It went up exactly our intraday number 17,332. That is the bang on high today. Okay, and from there it started moving down, and this number 17,322 is our weekly bearish number for Nifty futures. Okay, and from there it came down all the way, exactly came and gave the entry at our Excel number, and it went and touched the third target. But our stop loss is second target, so it came and hit the second target, and then we closed our position. And today we are not holding any position in Nifty future. Everything is zero. So we want to start fresh tomorrow. So Excel sheet number and our number intraday number worked like magic. And today I added one more number also, so that we can able to catch much more top or much more bottom. That's called positional intraday number. Okay, so you can use that. I will show you in the PPT. So now I'm closing this Nifty spot, Nifty future, and now coming to Bank Nifty spot. This was this blue color line. This blue color line is the extreme bottom of the pitchfork. Extreme bottom of the pitchfork, right? It went up, and our main number is 36,864, and it is not able to break that number. And anyway, 200 SMA was there and rejected here, came down, touched this blue color line. So now it has to hold this number as a must, right? Otherwise, break below this number 35,231, problem, and this is the last rescue. Let's see what happens. But Bank Nifty is looking extremely weak when compared to Nifty, and Reliance was the rocker today. It helped Nifty to claim, but I don't know whether it's a weekly expiry, so it is big guys game or not. From 17,280, it came and closed at 17,211. So Bank Nifty is at a very, very crucial support. So we need to watch tomorrow how it is going to behave. And again, if you see today, it came down and it went exactly and touched our number, which is 35,937. This is our number for the day, bearish number. Below this, we need to sell. It gave the opportunity. After 2 hours, it gave the opportunity, went and touched the number and came down badly and closed here, right? So now Bank Nifty is a very crucial support. So kindly watch it. And this is what happened today. The first hour candle and went up, touched our number 35,937, came down, and it closed below the yearly pivot, which is very, very bad. Let's see how it is going to plan out. Based on pitchfork, there is a major support is happening there in today's low. Let's see how it is going to go. Below this low, today's low 35,432. You need to be very, very cautious. On 1 hour closing basis, if it closed below, you need to be very careful. And if you see here also, see yesterday I said that none of the 1 hour candle closed above the previous high candle. And here also the same. This candle is not closed above this candle high. This candle is not closed, even though it went up. This candle is not closed above this candle high. And this candle is below this candle low. And this candle also, it went up, but not closed above this high. And this candle, same. See how ulta. The simple candlestick will give you all the pattern. If you combine with numbers, it will rock. Okay, and this is Bank Nifty. And coming to Nifty, this is our weekly number 17,287. I've already told you it went up, touched, came back, and closed below. Until it is holding 17,138. So now Nifty has to save Bank Nifty in case if Bank Nifty has to perform from here. The credit should go to our big guy, and he is doing fabulous work. Let's watch what he's going to do tomorrow, because tomorrow is the TCD for Reliance. First 15 minutes, high and low, will do the magic for Reliance, right? And okay, so this I've already covered. Let's go to the PPT straight away. Okay, so this is third March observation. This is where I mentioned about Nifty metals. Close above 3067, which is a bullish sign, and target is 6155, 6388, and 6532. Today that is the high. 6536 is the high. And again, I've given another 2 targets, 6621 and 6765. Okay, so let's watch now. The stop loss has moved to the cost, so we don't need to worry about it, and everything was rocking. Okay, so this I covered on March 3rd, but my video I made on February itself, because it was clearly shown based on the time cycle that something big is going to happen in metals, and same thing now is happening in pharma. Okay, watch it out. That will be some big move. I don't know whether fourth wave is coming or not, but chart is showing it. Okay, so now let's go to yesterday's number. Okay, so this is our yesterday number, 17,332, exact high today. And Nifty, Bank Nifty 35,937. It came down, open gap down, went and touched this number and came down badly, and it achieved till this number. Okay, so now let's go to tomorrow. Nothing much to add here. Till it holds 17,138. No need to worry in Nifty per se, but Bank Nifty, I've already told, it is at the extreme support. It has to turn from here, right? And break below, I've already told this number. Metals, I've already told. And tomorrow, two pharma companies are coming for TCD. Dr. Reddy and Glenmark, Hindalco, VDL in metals, and PSU in REC and GAIL, and Mega Mover, which is Reliance. So watch out for these guys, and mark today's high of McDowell, because combination TCD and Ashok Leyland. Just mark the high and low of today, use it for tomorrow. Break below today's low, sell with the stop loss of today's high. Break above today's high, sell with the stop loss of buy with the stop loss of today's low. Simple thumb rule. Okay, so use it. And yeah, I've already given the buy number and sell number for Bank Nifty, Nifty, and now I added one more positional number. Watch this. See, anything about 245. This is our intraday number, like what I gave today for 17,332. So this is our intraday number. It may go and touch this number, or it is close to somewhere near to this number. Okay, above this number, it is bullish. Above this number, it is simply bullish. So no, use it, and today close is 17,243. But below this number, it is bearish. 17,200 till it is close to below 17,245. It is bearish, and it is only two numbers below here. Today's close, and above this number, it is bullish on Nifty future. Coming to Bank Nifty, only above this number on a closing basis, it is bullish, 36055. You can take a call once it crosses this number, 35,742, and it has to hold at least for 15 minutes above this number, then only it is a genuine buy. I'm talking about the numbers, I'm not talking about my indicator. Okay, so watch these two numbers. I added one more number for you. In case if you buy here, watch out whether it is resisting at this number. You can simply exit. You can simply exit here. Okay, so I've added one more number. Use it wisely. And anyway, you have your Excel sheet number. Just use it. Yeah, that's how mostly I covered everything. The next, the important date is happening on 28th March. Let's see what it is going to do on 28th March. And something is slowly cooking up in PSEs. REC, GAIL, NTPC. Watch out for the stocks. All are 200 rupee stock. Maybe we can do something on that. Anyway, I'll try to cover that video later. So that's how I just want to finish for today. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisor before investing in any financial instrument. Okay, and I'm giving my Telegram ID number in the description box. If you want to join, you join, because Excel sheet number and market commentary, I'm giving it there. If you want to utilize, you can utilize it. Right. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye. Good night.